far as Orlando Pirates are concerned, the visiting side making 4 changes, none at the back. So Buthelezi and Oki and Da and all very safe there. Ndabayithethwa makes a return to the starting lineup. He's going to be important. The former Maruma Gallants midfielder, Phillip Ndlondlo, I think is going to add a lot of pace to the middle. As well as very impressive Relebogile Bofokeng, who came as an early change against Kaizer Chiefs and I thought really played nicely. The other change is Fortune Bakariki.
Yeah, with Orlando Pirates, with all the changes, they were expected to have the same flow that they normally show. With Ndlondlo back in that midfield, that tells you that they want to have more possession of the ball to be able to dictate the terms and must.
Wasn't it? Although that's a bit of a stop over the